Oh God. Winds are definitely strong. Hope we don't lose power.
Right here.
But yeah, we're gonna have a command to our north. The rotation is strong, and we're starting to get rain too, a little bit. Any lightning? Come on! We're probably getting about 30 miles per hour. I just got hit in the face by a leaf.
Look at that fucking tree.
That's, Mom, those limbs are about to come down. Look, they're literally sagging. Fitzwalkie is starting north, so starting to get rain.
Yeah.
Oh, good lightning!
That falls down in the chicken coop.
Again?
That falls down. That holds that.
I think we're already getting a hurricane force wind gusts.
Oh yeah. We're getting
down.
Yeah, it is.
I'm staying up. Lightning to our north. It's happening once in a while. I said we're in the inflow of this thing. We're at the tail end, Charlie. Oh, I think I just saw a power flash out there. Oh! You can hear the thunder a little bit.
That's the wind, no cue.
Yeah, like it's gonna hit us straight on. Be ready for a possible tornado because we're at the tail end. We're at the tail end, Charlie. So.
Oh my God.
I'm in a recorder so I can freaking look at radar. Holy cow.